Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a brandable PDF to help you generate additional traffic or sales to your website or product. Okay, now the first thing you're going to need is a document to create into a PDF. Okay, I have one open here which I will supply free. There'll be a link below this video. So basically here I'm in a program called OpenOffice. Okay, I'm using OpenOffice because it is free. Okay, I'll also place a link for OpenOffice below this video. Also, another good thing about OpenOffice is it has a built-in PDF converter. See that little button there? Export directly as PDF. Okay, so once you have your document created, now what you got to remember when you're creating your document is you've got to make it attractive for a person to want to brand it. Okay, so you can either interest the person by giving them the ability to brand a payment link, okay, an affiliate link. So for example, if they wanted to brand this link here, if you wanted to enable them to brand this link here, you could tell them to brand this link and it will go to their ClickBank account or whatever. Okay, or you could tell them maybe they get the website links in the footer of all the pages, and you keep the ClickBank affiliate link. Okay, so basically make it attractive for a person to want to brand it. Okay, but also bear in mind that you need to keep something within the document that they are not allowed to brand. Okay, right, so basically there you go. There's create your document, or if you don't want to create, or if you haven't got the time to create a document, you can simply get some PLR. Okay, so you can get some PLR. You get the source document in PLR files, so you can just go and edit a PLR document related. You've got to make sure it is related to the niche you are in. Okay, so this one here is multiple streams of income, the key to online success, and you can see it links to multiprofitwebsites.com. It also has links to multiprofitwebsites.com in the footer of all the pages. Okay, there are also additional links within this report, but they're not really relevant. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to brand this document. Okay, I'll first create it as a PDF. Okay, well all you have to do is simply click that button there and it'll tell you where to export the PDF to. Okay, so once you have the PDF, okay, this is what the PDF looks like. I've just opened it up in Acrobat Reader here, and it's just the same as the document. You then need to go and get a product called Affiliate PDF Brander. Okay, and that's what this Affiliate PDF Brander looks like. Okay, it basically looks like a sales page when you open it up, but you also get a little button. Click here to create your branding package, your PDF branding package. Okay, now I'm recommending you use this Affiliate PDF Brander because I've tried a few and I think it is the simplest one to use. Okay, and that's the sole reason it's the simplest one. I use it myself. Very simple, as you'll soon see. Okay, so just basically click here to create your PDF branding package. Okay, now it's going to ask you where your PDF is. Okay, you've already got the PDF saved. Okay, so that's the document that you saved. Just open that. Okay, now you can see it automatically detects the hyperlinks within the document. Now it's saying there's 11 links in that document, and link number 1 is linking to multiprofitwebsites.com. As I showed you in the document, there was, I'll go back to the document, there's a link to multiprofitwebsites.com there, and it's in the footer of all the pages, and it's also at the end of the document there. Okay, so there's 11 links to multiprofitwebsites.com in total. Okay, now what you need to do here is you need to click the drop down and allow people to replace this with their own link. Okay, so whatever link you have within your website that you want people to replace, select allow people to replace this with their own link. Okay, now instructions, basically you need to just say something like enter your ClickBank hop link here and click next. Okay, now as I said, there are other links within that document, but I don't want them to be branded. Okay, I don't want them to be branded because they basically just links to examples and stuff like that. Okay, so I'm not going to brand them in this example, but obviously you can brand whatever links you want, or allow to be branded whatever links you want. So I'm just going to leave it as not a brandable link. Click next and keep clicking next until you get to the end of the 11 links. Okay, and once you get to the end, it will ask you where you want to save the branding package. Okay, so remember, this is going to be the actual branding file. So let's just call this I'm just going to call this the key. Sorry, excuse me. Brandable I'm going to make. The key brandable, okay, just so I know that it is a brandable file. And click save. Okay. So here we are. This is my directory where I had the PDF, okay, which I've just branded. Well, I've just made brandable, sorry. And there we have the key brandable, which I've just created. Now you'll see if I double click on the key brandable now, it's going to ask me to create a branded PDF note. Okay, so remember where I placed enter your ClickBank hop link here. Okay, so if you want to enter your ClickBank hop link in there, okay, well I'll actually do that. I'll go to ClickBank Marketplace, and all I did is go to clickbank.com and click on Marketplace there, and you'll see you can find or any kind of products here. If you wanted to add any affiliate links in your report or ebook, you can find them from here. Okay, now I'm just going to go to computers and internet, and you'll see multi-profit websites there at the top. Click promote. Okay, account nickname, I'll use one of my other account nicknames and click create. And there you have the encrypted hop link. I'm going to copy that, close that window. Now I'll go back to the brander and paste it in there. Click next, and now it's going to say where do you want to save the branded document. So I'll call it, let's add branded, sorry, and then onto the end. PDF. Okay, it's been created successfully. I'll go to that folder, and you'll see, so there was the original PDF. There's the brandable one, which I'm going to offer to people, and this is what they will be able to create. Okay, I'm going to open this up now. Okay, you can see that there. Okay, now if I hover over that link there, can you see that ClickBank hop link in there? That's the one that I pasted in. So all of the links within this PDF, even the ones in the footer, all the links to multiprofitwebsites.com now link to my ClickBank hop link. Okay, so this has made this document an attractive, brandable document. So people are going to want to brand it with their own ClickBank hop link. Okay, now obviously in here I didn't change the footer link or wherever. But if you're going to do it, maybe change the footer link. If you say, for example, if you need more information, go visit my website here, and then have a link to your website. Okay, so maybe the people who brand it are getting the ClickBank link to multi-profit websites, and you are getting the links back to your website in all the footers. Okay. Okay, so that is how you create a brandable PDF. One more thing to remember when you've actually got your brandable files compiled is, I'll go to my files here. Okay, so there's my standard document, there's my brandable one, and there's my one that I branded. Okay, first thing is, make sure you only include the brandable one, okay, because that's all you really want to pass about. Okay, and also give instructions. You need to give instructions to the user to tell them exactly what they need to do. So maybe in your instructions you may say, even if it's just a simple text document with instructions in, step 1, if we're using this one as an example, okay, step 1, click on the key brandable file. Okay, step 2, when asked to enter your ClickBank hop link, enter your full ClickBank hop link URL. You can find your ClickBank hop link URL here. Okay, step 3, click next, and step 4, save the branded document to your hard drive. Okay, just some simple instructions as to where they can, what exactly links they need to enter and where.